have this vivarium here. It isn't the big ones, but and here, this area here is where the water area is going to be, and over here, this is where the land area is.
All right, and what do you want to put in here?
We have some insects
All right.
and some other like dirt and plants.
Yep.
And they're some of the miniature versions.
And what do you got over here?
That's some moss.
You got some moss, and what's that?
Horse poop.
Horse poop. Okay. All right, and these what are these? These are springtails.
This is
Alright.
gravel.
And you've got some gravel and some hay. All right, so we've got some hay over here. We've got some gravel, and then we've got a bit of a dirt medium to go in, and still preparing. So when this is all dry, we'll be able to put it all in. As anything else you want in there, we've got the vivarium. You got your insects. Are you going to put any ants in here?
Yeah. We have
Alright,
some
so
colonies.
we're gonna have to put talcum powder and methane on all the edges so they don't climb out. That's one thing we've got to do before we do everything
Do
else.
we have a cover?
No, we're just going to do a mesh cover because this aquarium is still getting repaired, the top, because it was this is separate parts. So now we should be good, and it's all siliconed on. Moment of truth. Let's see if this leaks. The kids will be pissed.
It's hard to tell. It's got an effect.
It does have an effect. The middle, all the guts looks good. We've got an issue on that side, I reckon. It's leaking.
Can't see it.
Right here. In the corner. It's not bad. It'd be a small bit. Some extra length. So that is halved. Alright, that's nice. Alright, so that's happening. Now we'll just add in all the other bits and pieces. So we've got some, what have we got there? No, we've got actually some roaches. We've got roaches, some isopods, and I think there's some worms.
is that what we collected?
Yeah, we collected it the other day.
Yeah.
Just pop it in there. That's it. Don't, not from a height, mate. Just gentle drop in. Otherwise, they do get injured. They are little critters.
I know.
Yeah, you can see them.
Alright, Eva, there's one for you.
Yes. They're trying to crawl up the thing.
That's alright. They won't get a fuck.
That's a roach.
Here's another one for Eva. You can pop that in. It's got a piece of banana peel on there.
Can you be careful? Don't drop it.
Okay. A nice medium there. We've got some hay. Michael pop some hay in. We've got some horse poo. If they get it in the aquarium with water bit. You want to grab some pieces of poo from me? There we go. Some bits of horse poo. Not too many. That's good.
That's all of them.
Oh, you put all of it in, okay, alright. Then we'll grab some, where is it? This, can you get some sticks in the bottom of that bucket there, Eva?
Under the stairs.
Like this?
Yep, just pop something underneath.
Does that have anything in there?
It may have. It's just been collected to
Oh, yeah,
create the soil that we need for the vivarium.
Oh my
It
god.
is now.
That's a mountain.
I didn't realise there was so much of it. More here.
What is that?
This is just that hay stuff.
Yeah. But more.
So I'll just level it out a bit. So it should be ready to go in a few weeks. We'll put all the plants and stuff. See the soil, how nice and black it is. We've got some grubs here already, but it turns into
Good fishing. Eva, put it back.
fishing boat. It is.
Eva, put it back when you're done looking at it.
That's not really. Is this a baby?
Show mum. It turns into a beetle.
Can you bait those?
Uh-huh. Got some spiders in there already.
Spiders?
Yeah, here's some. I should have measured that out, shouldn't I? And then we've got some gravel. It's going to go in, yeah. Pass it up. Good girl, ready? You tip it. Oh, your hands all stuck everywhere. Tip it. Because that'll raise the volume of the water. Right.
The water,
So yeah, grab this. That should be good. Alright. So that's nice. We've got some dirt. Some more dirt in. Some rabbit poop there. Did you see that, Eva?
Yeah, is that from our old
Rabbits?
rabbits?
Yeah, that is our old rabbits. And now we've got some pondweed, the duckweed. No, it's actually duckweed, and there's some frog bit. That's the frog bit right there.
Algae.
Okay. Algae, frog bit. All these little bits and pieces extra. That's the duckweed right there. Just don't want any of the insects to drown. If they can get on this, they'll be okay.
But luckily for the frog, they know how to go on those lily pads.
Yeah, the little frog bit, yep, they do. All right, we can always get a little bit more and they should be okay. So we're just gonna add a little more dirt later. We'll just put this nice and lay it in. And some more dirt again.
That's a big people.
Yep. It's a big mountain there. It doesn't go in there. Still, I reckon we still need more. No, some worms. Look, some worms are in there. Just here. Just here.
Oh.
Little worm.
We also have some baby worms.
Some isopods down in the corner and a spider. Little log. We tried it. The kids wanted it half over the water and half in the dirt. And they also want ants in here, so it's going to be extremely hard to keep everything in. So as long as it's not touching, I'm going to have to put some talcum powder and alcohol around the edges so the ants don't get out. But besides that, we should be good with their design, their idea, let's say. Some wood. We'll get some moss. And then we'll check it in a few days as the dirt will drop. We'll need some more dirt. Somewhere for the insects to hide. And more moss. Won't put any over there because that's still not compacted. Here it's quite dense. And then we'll see how we go in a couple of days. So, caught another kick bug. Look at this one.
I'm putting this lizard in.
The lizard, yeah.
There he is.
Eva, so you wanted this fern in the corner, yeah? Fern in the corner, it's in. Alright. And we'll pop this other water plant over this side here. Don't want all the insects getting in and drowning. This one in the water? It is a water plant, so I'll just pop it in so it just stays
I'm about to
straight.
drop these.
Hopefully it reaches the water from here. Nice, it does. You got these little plants. Oh, this one looks like a nice high one. Some rocks just to give it a little bit of more of a nice edge. There's that centipede. Those will grow over that anyway. Okay, got a carpenter. Oh, there's a frog.
I'm gonna get him.
Get him. Pop him next to the other one.
Cuckoo. I think it might be a girl. I hope they mate.
There you go, jump
Okay.
over.
He definitely didn't want to be.
You got that piece? Okay, so what we're going to do is pop them under this so it doesn't look so ugly and just pop them down. Here.
No, you won't fly away. You just yeet.
Pop them in there together.
Hey, look, it's from the window. Where's my caterpillars that I put in?
The caterpillars have hatched. Okay.
So they've turned into.
We've got a bit of decomposing matter for them. And then we just hide it so it doesn't look so ugly. We're meeting us from our holding tank. We're going to transfer the locusts. I think there's a locust and a grasshopper.
Yep.
Into here, and here.
Because when we were trying to get the tank, we had this small tank that my dad is right now filming.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of animals in there, and it's too small, so we got a bigger vivarium.
A bigger one, eh?
Yep.
Alright, so we've got a lot of isopods there. They're quite big.
Yep, they are.
They're very nice.
They are.
Very nice. We've got another locust in here. So the lion ant has already started making his funnel. He should flick that white stone off. And that's how he makes his funnel. Anything gets in there, no matter the size, he launches it out. Then he flicks out all the sand, makes the funnel, and when something crawls across the funnel, he flicks more sand to let it come down and grabs it with his mandibles. Okay, so we've got 3 lion ants. Did not notice. There was just one, but there's actually 3. 2 close together and one just on the edge of the dirt. Just over there. And it's just on, what is it, 7 o'clock. It's a little bit dark and they've started cranking their funnels. That must be the big one. He's launching a lot of sand. One's trying to get into the other one.